Eeny, Meeny, Miny, oh, one of you has to go. Alright, let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you saw, I picked a bike that has to go. And in this video, all I'm gonna do is gonna go ahead and take it apart. And then I got some boxes from Guitar Center. Hopefully it'll fit in there, and then I'm gonna take it to shipping. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I might weigh the frame by itself, because when I got it, I actually did not weigh it, and I want to know how much does it weigh. And hopefully that helps some of you out that want to know how much the Axum weigh frames. So other than that, without further ado, if you haven't, again, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Also, you can become a channel member. That feature is already turned on for me, and it'll help you a lot. That way you can see videos before they come out. And other than that, and also you can always go rely on the affiliate links in the description below. Other than that, let's get right into it. I'm not gonna go in detail. I'm just gonna take everything to the bare frame, and that's it. Let's do this. And I know some of you might be asking, what is this new place? Because that's a new background. So this is actually my office space, my entry, this mud room kind of thing. And I just cleared everything up because it was a mess a little bit ago. And why am I here is because the garage is freaking hot, even with the fan. It can go up over 100 degrees because, you know, Texas, baby, Houston. Yes, So we're gonna get this done right here. Enjoy the time lapse. Now I know some of you are gonna be asking, but why? What are you gonna get? Why are you getting rid of the bike? Blah, 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 right? Right, Eugene? You're gonna be asking that, so let me answer that for you right now. I'm getting rid of this bike because why do I need two Axums? They're almost the same. Still, both of them with nice components anyway, kinda. I mean, the majority of them. And I really don't need two of them. What are my plans after this? Really, as of right now, I don't have any other plans. I don't plan to buy another bike. I might take some of these components and actually put them on the blue Axum to make it a super Axum. Ideally though, I would like to buy a Polygon Extrada 7, so I'd rather get the whole frame instead of just the frame instead of the whole bike. That way I can build it off to my needs. And why an Extrada X7? The reason is I want that one specifically is because it does have a boost spacing at the rear, and that's something that I'm looking into. But is it gonna happen? I don't know. Can it? Maybe, but it's not something that I'm gonna. If that happens, then the blue Axum has to go as well, because I don't need two hardtails. Well, there it is. I left the down tube protection tape that I installed a while back. Why not? But everything else has been taken care of. I even cleaned the frame, cleaned up the grease. All the good stuff is good to go. Let's weigh this thing real quick. 4.63 pounds, 74 ounces, 2,100 grams or 2.1 kilograms. So not bad. All I gotta do is prep the box and put it in there and go ship it off. Hopefully the new owner will like it, and everything's straight in this. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. All the batches are gone except for the inner chainstay. I left those intact. All right, let's go over the components we took out. The WTB Wheelset with the Novotech hubs. It has the WTB Trail Boss tires that came on my Polygon CSQ-T8, 11-speed cassette, and Tektro 180 rotors, front and rear. I have the Air Tag Metals dropper post with the OK Bond saddle, the one that I use all the time. My bottle cages is my SR Sun Tour Radon 34 fork. I think this one was 130 millimeters if I'm not mistaken. Then we had the Meroka M4 brakes, hydraulic 4-piston front and rear. A lot of people, well, some videos in YouTube have been saying that they leak. I had not had any issues with this whatsoever. The Raceworks crank arms bottom bracket over here with the Raceworks 32 tooth chain ring. The biking pedals, these are super nice. YBN chain, this came with the group set. And then the Slacker, I don't remember the brand of this one, the Slack headset, 2 degrees Slack headset is taken off. It's right here. Works Components is the Works Components headset. And then we have the Sensa CRX Pro 11-speed derailleur, my wake handlebar, and my JG bike stem 35 millimeters, no rise, and my Race Face half Nelson grips. I love these things. Every time I can get them for under $15, I buy me a set. Just why not? I think that's it. Let me go ahead and get the box prepped up, and this thing should be ready to sell. All right, so I got the box set up and the frame in with a few little wrappers and things to keep him from moving. That's currently how it looks. And I'm probably gonna end up shipping it today. So to the new owner, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this frame. You kind of already told me the groups that they're gonna end up putting in this thing. Keep me updated, and if you want to send me pictures later on, and I'll put them on my channel as well. And other than that, again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, I'm gonna end up reusing some of these parts on the Blue Axum and make a super, well, not all the parts, maybe use the dropper post and the slacked headset. I'm gonna put those on my Blue Axum. I'm gonna play with the wheel sets and the wheels, and the tires to make because I haven't finished the Blue Axum, so I'm gonna play with the wheel sets because now I have the original Axum wheel set, the WTB wheel set, and entity branded wheel set that I have on my T8. Gotta see which one is the lightest one, and then I'm gonna put the lightest one on the T8 and then the other one on the Blue Axum. Other than that, that's the plan for now, so I don't have anything else in mind. And that's it for this one, guys. Again, if you can become a channel member, check the description below, check all that good stuff. That way you can watch the videos before everybody else. Or you can old school, check the affiliate links in the description below. Also as well, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. That's what helps the channel a lot, and it's free. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.